Hello everyone, this is Gary Bennett at ExcelMe. Welcome to class number 4 on Swift programming. Today we're going to be talking about conditional logic. And what I've done is, this is out of kind of chapter 4 and 5 of the book, is I've made a playground and to go through how we can work with strings and conditionals with Swift. So for example, here I have two strings, first string and second string. Let's make one slightly different than the other, just by case in this instance. If we want to compare two strings in Swift with an if statement, this is how we would do it. We can use the conditional equal to see if they are equal to each other, is equal. So if these are equal, then print true. Otherwise, print false. Well, you can see here the playgrounds, it prints false because the case is different. If I make the case the same, once playgrounds updates here, that will go to true, like right there. Okay. If you want to check to see if a string is empty in an if statement, we can use the is empty. Now notice that, one thing I forgot to point out here, notice that this is the double equals. This will check to see if they are equal, not if they are making an assignment. And as a matter of fact, unlike Objective C and C, it will warn you and say, hey, you're trying to use a assignment equal here inside of an if statement. I don't think you really want to do that. And so we can go ahead and change that to a checking to see are they equal. All right. If you want to do things like look to see if a string has a prefix, has a suffix, we have methods that will do that as well. Additionally, if you want to see if there is how many characters there are in a string, we have .characters.count property, which will tell us how many characters there are in our string, which we didn't have before with Swift 1.0. Remember, it's not .count, it's .characters.count property to do that. And that's multi-byte for multi-byte safety. So if you're working with languages other than English where you have characters that use multiple bytes, this will work for you. As well as if you want to do a search in a string. Here we have a string, 20,000 leagues under the sea. We have another search called C. And I'm going to just change that to a 1 here for now. And we're going to look to see if the word C is in this string right here. If the string C is in this string here. And you can see it returns true. It did find it. Otherwise, if it's not, it will return false. So what we're doing is we're looking to see if this character, or if this string, this word, is inside of this string here with range of string. So we could get more specific with range of string to figure out where it is in the string. It will return that if we wanted to, but we don't need to do that. And then likewise, if you want to do an assignment, if it's not null, so if this returns an integer, which it will in this case from this string, because 42 will convert to an integer, it will assign it to number. Okay? And it could not convert that to a number. And then last but not least, how to go ahead and concatenate our strings. We can do that with the plus assignment. So this will take hello space world space in there and Gary Bennett and make our string. And you can continue the concatenation with the plus equal as well. So just a quick wrap up from chapter 4 and 5 of the book. on conditional logic in Swift 2.0. Have any questions? I will take those questions for those who are attending live every Friday at 10:30 Pacific time. I teach this class live. You can go to excelme.com and register for the free classes and ask questions afterwards. And if you're attending the YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you next Friday at 10:30 Pacific time for our next topic on Swift 2.0. Thanks.